Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and in today's video, we will be checking out the Tarmac Works VERTEX Nissan Silvia S13 Tarmac X Lamley Group Edition. Now this is a quite new car, as you can see, the Nissan Silvia S13. It is a collaboration between Tarmac Works and the Lamley Group, and also VERTEX as well. And you might have been thinking, where did I get this? I got this from Two Monster Shop. Thank you, Two Monster Shop, for sponsoring this car. And you can get yours from either heading to their shop in Tamarind Square, Cyberjaya, which is Two Monster Shop's store, or you can buy it from their TikTok page, or you can get it from their Shopee page. Or if you're living overseas, you can get your hands on it from the Tarmac Works website if it's still available. And if you might have been thinking, yes, I've done a review about this car in red, if you might remember. And that was also from Two Monster Shop. I actually bought it from them. And this is also another S13, but just that this is the Lamley edition. So it says right here, VERTEX Nissan Silvia S13 Tarmac VERTEX. The top is white, the bottom is sort of like this cream-ish tan color, which is nice. Lamley logo right there, Lamley Group. Shout out to them for collaborating with Tarmac Works. Now here we have the continuation of the car. On the top it says Global 64. At the back, Tarmac Works X VERTEX Company, and then at the bottom, Tarmac VERTEX, Tarmac for good. What does it say there? VERTEX Nissan Silvia S13 white/gold. Okay, the box doesn't seem gold. I'm just gonna call it cream or tan, but I believe the car should be colored in white or gold. We'll see about that. Nissan official licensed product. And then you have the barcode if you need it, and the made in China, and also the socials of Tarmac Works. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. You might be thinking, did I get a chase or not? Obviously not. The moment I bought it from Two Monster Shop, obviously I had to open it right there, as if I did get a chase, I need to buy another one, as always. There are actually 3 chases in total that I have not made a video yet, but I'm planning to do soon, because I need to review them together with the original color of it, so that basically you get to compare. I will allow my viewers to compare the chase version versus the regular version side by side, so that you guys will either, one, be more aware whether you will get the chase or not, and 2, whether you should keep the chase or maybe sell it off, or maybe trade it with something else. Sadly, of course, the S13 that you're seeing in front of me right now is not a chase, but then still it looks pretty great. Now the box did say it's white and gold. If you tell me this top part right here, the top half, is colored in white, that's gonna be hard to say. It's not typically white, because it's sort of like in this yellowish cream sort of color. An example of white, I can try to get an example of a white car. Hold on. So just gonna borrow this Mini GT Porsche GT3 RS. Now this is white. This is not white. This is sort of cream or tan. They couldn't really call it white. The left is white. This is not white. So we can see that Tarmac needs to improve in terms of that. Like naming the colors on the bottom of the box. Like if I read the bottom of the box, it says white/gold. Now the bottom, if they want to say gold, I can kind of agree with that. That's basically like sort of like a liquid goldish color, so I don't really mind. That is obviously correct, just that the top half is not typically white. It's sort of like this cream color, which I don't really know how to describe. It's not typically white. It's a mixture between a white and tan color palette sort of issue, you know. So it's not typically white. But then the bottom half obviously is correct. It's sort of like that liquid goldish color, if you ask me. And the box did say it's sort of like in the gold color, so I don't really mind. The box did not mention, however, the rim sets, the set of rims basically, which are colored in chrome silver. I really do like that. That is actually pretty great. It gives the more JDM vibes. I love it. And yeah, just looking at this Silvia right here, you can obviously tell that this is a wonderful model. It looks pretty great. Now, this is not my first issue of the Lamley group X Tarmac Works cream tan color issue. I actually have another car that I've never reviewed yet. That's actually from the previous lineup of Tarmac cars, which is the Toyota Chaser JZX 100, if I'm not mistaken. The car, which is colored in sort of like this, similar to this Silvia. I actually have it with me, just that I never had time to review it because I have two versions of it. One is the regular one is the Chase version. The Chase, however, I actually got it from buying from Two Monster Shop. I actually didn't buy it from them. I actually ordered it from their TikTok shop, and somehow they actually gave it to me, and once it arrived, I opened it up and I actually got a Chase. So that was quite lucky at that point. What I did, well, basically the time when I went back to Two Monster, their store, I had to go get the regular version and hope it's not a Chase. In fact, it's not a Chase, so good. I actually have two Chaser JZX 100 Lamley editions. One's the Chase, one's the regular, but then both I haven't reviewed yet because I'm still thinking of how I can plan my regular versus Chase reviews. So yeah, do stay tuned for that. I actually have three, which I've already hinted the Chaser JZX 100 video for the Chase car. I will not tell you the other two mysterious Chases. We'll say that when I review the Chaser later on in the future. Let's get back to this Silvia on the other hand. So let's actually take a closer look at this Silvia for now. We've been talking about the Chaser for this while, even though we're not actually reviewing the Chaser. Well, let's just talk about the Chaser for a moment. But here we have the Nissan Silvia S13, which looks gorgeous from the side. Look at it. Gives that classic old vibes. Love to see it. So starting from the rims, obviously we have these gorgeous, like, sort of 5-spoke chrome silver rims with these rubber tires, which I do love. The side looks absolutely clean, very, very nice. No details, no sponsors or anything. It's very, very clean. I love it. You have, like I said, the touch of liquid sort of gold color at the bottom half, and then cream or sort of tan colored on the top half, where the box said it's white. I don't believe it, but then again, sort of like in this cream tan color. So yeah, even though they mentioned in a white color, I think it's really not a white color at all. You do have that gas cap detail right there at the back, the the door handle right here as well. Side mirror, I believe these are plastic, not rubber or anything. Is it carbon? No, it's just black. It's just a plastic black. I thought it was carbon, but then it's fine. Very nice. Let's move on to the front. You do have these lensed transparent headlights right here, which are clear, as you can see. No headlight tints or anything. You do have grille detailing as well as the bottom right here, which you can actually see yet again the intercooler. So most cars that are from Tarmac Works, when it comes to JDM, they normally have these intercoolers at the bottom right here, which looks great. And then you do have the side blinkers right here, or side blinkers at the bottom right here beneath the headlights. And then what else? You do have some vents here and there. They look pretty great. And then let's move on to the hood. Very, very clean. I really do like it, the detail of the hood. Not much detail, but still it's very clean. I really do love it. They look spot on. I really love it a lot. Let's move on to the interior. Oh yeah, windshield, regular windshield tint. You do have the VERTEX logo right there on the windshield. Blacked out interior, blacked out seats in there as well. Roof, very clean. Overall, the whole top part of the car is extremely clean because the whole body of the car itself is very clean. Not gonna lie, I really do love the details of it. They look stunning. What does that say? What does that even say? I'm not sure. I cannot really read. What is that? It's something. There's a text right there, but I'm not sure. Or maybe is it in Japanese? I'm not sure. Here is the other side if you're wondering. They look pretty nice. Very, very clean. Overall, sick. Let's move on to the rear. And yeah, pretty similar to the previous red version that I've done a review of. You do have red tinted, obviously, rear lights, which are tinted in red. Obviously, you do have the brake lights as well, the blinkers. You do have the reverse lights, and then you have the VERTEX license plate right there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, there is a VERTEX license plate right there. You do have the massive rear bumper right here as well, colored in sort of like this liquid gold. And then you do have the exhaust tip colored in silver, which is nice. Single exhaust tip at the bottom right there. That looks pretty cool. Here's the base, metal base, Tarmac Works X Lamley Group, 1/64 scale VERTEX Nissan Silvia S13, made in China. Overall, I must say, this car is just wonderful. Looking at the details, the whole design of the car, the body kit that it has. Obviously, this is tuned and modified by VERTEX themselves. They are I believe, tuning and body kit company, if I'm not mistaken. I mean, it looks very clean, very nice, pretty similar to the red version that I've done a review of. What? A month or two ago, if I'm not mistaken. That was pretty great. Got a ton of views as well, and I really do love the red one. But if you ask me to pick whether the tan version or the red version is better, most likely I'll take the tan version, because if you ask me, the red version, it looked great, just that the car had only one tone of paint, which is red on red. Whereas this one, it had the tan or sort of cream version, and with the color tone of liquid gold sort of color, which is great, and I really do like it. It's not bad. It's just that the detail between the red version and the tan version, I think the tan version has more detail compared to the red version. But overall, I really do love the both anyways, and they both look great together nonetheless. And if you want to watch me review more Lamley Group X Tarmac Works products, you can go subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to leave a like on this video. And once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and as always, I'll see you guys in my other videos. See you soon. Bye bye.